This 2024 East to West Alta 2810 Kick is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Middlebury in 46,540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.